All right, no, let me see why you don't have that access, maybe.
You can see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay.
Let me stop sharing here.
I have access now.
Okay. Maybe, yeah, you were looking in a different place or something. All right, great. So what you would do is go to File at the top left and click Move. Is there move? Okay, you could, you could click Add Shortcut to Drive. And then go to click on Shared Drives. That little arrow, yep. Huh, okay. Let me see why you don't see that. All right, go back one, Carson, and then come back here. It should refresh.
I don't see it.
Yeah.
I got an email.
I see Nima put the file there. Yeah, go to that link or the email you got. It's kind of strange that you can't see this.
Okay.
I'll drop this link for you in the chat here. See if you can access it. You should be able to. You might need to refresh your screen maybe.
Okay.
All right, so great. Nima, you have two templates I can see there. The project plan workbook is probably the one you want to have because it has more tabs for more information down the road. Okay, great. So once Carson puts his file, who else was in your group? The gun control. Let's see here.
I am. Zobiara.
Okay. Yep. Okay, so Kamaya, she's not here. All right, so I guess those of you who are here, we can, you guys can get together in a meeting room and start working on this just in a couple of minutes. Now let me make sure everyone else is good here. All right, so we got the gun control team. We got the Palestine Resource Center. We got youth homelessness. And who else we have? What other projects?
Oh, I found it.
Okay, it's working now?
Yeah, I should it to the thing.
Okay, great.
Did someone in my group start a project template for the homelessness, or am I supposed to start one?
You should already have one from Tuesday. Remember we did one for your project?
Yeah.
Right. So you should be able to use that. Just build on it. Okay. All right. Let's see who else we have here today. So we got Nima's good. Neora, which project are you assigned to? The video creator. Okay. So let me. All right. And then we got Alyssa. Have you chosen a project, Alyssa, yet? Okay, and then we have...
Yes, I chose gun control.
Okay, maybe it was yesterday? All right, good. Okay, and then we got. All right, so I'm going to show you guys one more time how to work on your template, and then I'll let you go into your room and brainstorm a bit. Okay. All right, so let
Also,
me
where's the gun control?
I need to make a template.
say that again. There were two people speaking, so one of you wants to.
I wanted to know if I needed to make a template while I was making my logo for the Google. I mean, for the Instagram.
Yes, yeah, you can go ahead in your folder, do the same thing. Yep. So everyone right now should be creating templates in your project folders for what you're doing. Even if you're multiple people, just go ahead, create a blank file. We'll delete all the extra ones, keep one at the end. I just want to make sure you know how to do it. Yes, Nima, go ahead.
If I'm in multiple projects, which one do I start with first?
So for now, join the gun control group, and then I'll
Okay.
get you started on the other ones.
Okay.
How would you guys find the gun control file?
Just search for the folder. So here's the name of the project, 2023. Let me share my screen. All right. So this is the name of the project. You can look for your name. For example, for Sarah, it's Gun Control Advocate. You're going to copy that and just go to Google and search for it in the Google Drive. All right, I'm just going to come up. Okay, you guys can see my screen, the Google Drive.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we got our project together. Remember what we did in the youth homelessness on Tuesday? I'm going to go to that folder now. Where is it? Here, Youth Homelessness Resource Center. We had subfolders just to organize things a bit. You guys might want to do that in your folder as well. So just one of you can go create a folder called 1-meetings. Someone else can create 2-plans, 3, content. So you're organized. It's just going to help you. And then in plans, we're going to do a Jamboard, right? If you remember, we had ideas. So we're going to do a Jamboard for ideas, just like we did with youth homelessness for the gun control. All right, we'll do it as a group in 5-10 minutes, and then I'll let you guys disperse to go to your own meeting rooms. All right, so I'm going to go back to the gun control folder. How do I find it? Just type 2023 -gun control, or just the word gun, and it should come up. There it is. All right, so I'll let you guys create those folders. All right, now I see we all see that shortcut that Carson just put together. So we'll use that document. And you also renamed it here, so it's easy to find down the road. All right, so why don't Nima, you go ahead and create a folder, call it 2-ideas. Ideas and plans or something, or just call it ideas. All right, and then we'll have who was the other person? Let's see. Obi, are you with us now? No, Obi. Yeah, Obi, why don't you create a folder? Call it 1-meetings. Are you able to do that? And then if we have with us Alyssa, you can create folder number 3, which was for, let me go here. Content. All right, so let's replicate this structure in the gun control folder. All right, so we got ideas. All right, let's give folks another minute or so to create the other two ones.
So can you hear me?
Mhm.
Okay, so since I'm Nora, the one who has the project of video editing, what specifically am I supposed to like plan out? Like what am I like, because I know you have to like add effects, have a software or something, and have transitions. So what am I supposed to like
We'll
plan
get
out?
to that in a second. So what you'll probably do is support other projects in their video production. Okay, so just hold tight with us. But you could
Okay.
do the same thing. You could go look for your folder, right? So it should save video. If you just go type 2023 in the word video, see what comes up. There it is,
Yeah.
video creator editor. Okay,
Mhm.
just open it up. And I see, oh, okay, there you go. You created a folder. So you've created a file. So you're good. Just hold on with us. You'll find how you can fit into all of this in a minute. All
Okay,
right?
thanks.
Absolutely. All right, let's go back.
Hey, Mr. Iman,
Mhm.
where is the official competition entry form?
For the Instagram, we're going to create that. That's part of your
Okay.
project. Yeah, that's part of your project. All right. So great.
right.
You guys seem to be in control here. Everything is good. Let's get the folder for the meeting notes. Who wants to create a folder for the meeting notes from the gun control team? Because you guys want to capture your discussion today.
Yeah, code, Mr. I'm trying to create a folder, just don't know how to, and I forgot the name of the folder that you wanted me to create.
Okay, so to create a folder, you go to this little twisty here, this drop down, and you click new folder, right? And then once it pops up, you just give it a name. It would be good to be consistent. So you can use the same thing, one space dash space meetings. That way, regardless of the project, if you're looking for a project meeting folder, you would have that. So it seems Nima already put it. So why don't you go ahead and rename it Obi to add the one, the space, and the hyphen and the space in front of it. To do that, you're just going to right click here, click rename, and change the name. All right. While you do that, we're going to go ahead and get started with some ideas for gun control just to get you guys rolling, and then we'll split into the different groups. All right. So we're going to go to ideas. Open it up. I see Nima already. Open a Jamboard. Great. So Nima, I'm going to let you share your screen then, and you walk us through this.